Well, a rare move in Missouri. The Attorney General pushing to oust St. Louis Circuit Attorney Kim Gardner after she refused to step down, saying Gardner not only failed to prosecute cases, she let them languish and neglected her duties in office. NewsNation digging deep into the crime numbers in St. Louis. Now, since Gardner took office in 2017, there have been more than 1,000 homicides. St. Louis ranking second in the highest murder rate in America, and there have been 10 times as many misdemeanor and felony cases backlogged, awaiting decision to prosecute. Investigative reporter Chris Hayes with our St. Louis affiliate joins us now. Chris, thanks for being here. So this recent move by the AG ultimately stems from a crash involving a driver who's out of jail despite dozens of bond violations.
Yes, and this is such a tragic crash. You'll run into people on the street nearly in tears about this case. It was a 17-year-old triathlete out of town from Nashville, here just a couple blocks from here, walking home from a tournament when a driver just came out of nowhere, struck another vehicle, and her parents were in court, devastated. Mom saying felt like her soul was ripped from her. They watched their daughter's leg ripped off right there. The dad said it took all of his 11 years of military experience to keep her alive, using belts of people who were nearby. And the suspect in that case was a violent suspect who had actually been charged with a 2020 robbery and was out on house arrest. He had an ankle monitor, and court records indicate he violated house arrest 51 times with no consequence. And that has caused an uproar in this community.
I'm sure it has, Chris. How is Kim Gardner's office responding to this filing?
So the circuit attorney, Kim Gardner's office, who actually held a news conference here at 2:30, has maintained that, first of all, she wanted to offer her condolences for the family and say they are very serious about prosecuting the suspect for this current case involving the crash, but that she's not the only one to blame. While she acknowledges some issues that need to be worked through, she claims that her office made oral arguments to a judge to lock up this suspect, and they were ignored. Now, this has been a tremendous debate here where the courts and the circuit attorney's office just have not agreed. While the circuit attorney's office has said they've made oral arguments, that does not show up on the public record. And the courts have said that there's no indication of an oral argument except in one case before all of the ankle monitor violations, in which they all agreed that the suspect Riley was going to go home on house arrest. And it was after that point, in which reportedly the circuit attorney's office agreed to send him home on house arrest, that there were those 51 ankle bracelet violations.
All right, Chris Hayes live for us there in St. Louis. Thank you for that. Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.